Today I am going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube, of course, has 6 sides. You have the white side, which on the back is your yellow. You have blue, which on the back is green. And then you have orange, which on the back is red. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the middle squares are always going to be stationary. Everything else moves around. Now, we're just going to go ahead and mix. So step number 1 is we're going to go ahead and solve for the top. And I always use the white as the top just because I like white. Okay. So here's your top white square. And as you see, we already have one in place. But what we want to do is we want to get it into the right spot. So what we're going to do is slide it around so that it is matching up with the green, green, white, white. Okay, so you see 2 green, 2 white. All right, so we go to the next step. Let's find orange. Now we know that orange belongs here. So we're going to bring it around to the bottom, slide it out of the way, bring it up, and then slide it back over. So now we have orange mashed up and green mashed up. Next step is red. Red is opposite of orange. So red belongs here. So once again, we'll move it out of the way. Bring her up. Bring it back over. And now we have red, green, and orange mashed up. Finally, we are going to go ahead and solve for blue. Now this is easy. Once we see this pattern, we just simply slide it around and we have the white cross, or the Swiss flag as I like to call it, the white cross. Alright, step number 2 is to solve for the corners. Alright, so let's go ahead and find the corner. This is red and blue. So we got blue, we got orange, we got blue, we got red. So this guy belongs here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it around, move the top out of the way, bring it up, so we've got these 2 matching, these two matching, bring it back down, and now you can see blue, blue, red, red, and we are in the right corner. Right? This guy is orange and green. Let's bring orange and green around, orange, green, so it belongs here. We're going to bring it up, slide it out of the way, back over, and back in, and now we've got this corner. Now we've got orange and blue. So we know orange and blue is here. So slide it over, bring this up, bring it up, bring it back down, and now we've got that corner solved. Finally, we have red and green, and that's easy enough. Out of the way, up, and back, and now we have the top solved. All right, so on to the next step. We're going to have the T's. You see the green T, a red T, a blue T, and an orange T. Now don't get thrown off by this. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and solve for the sides to get the top 2 rows. So in order to do that, the first step is to line up a big T. So you see this on the bottom. And we know that this red and green spot piece belongs here. Because red and green, red and green. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it around to the side. We're going to take the bottom in the direction that we want to bring that block over. Then bring this down and take the middle on over. And now we're going to match up 2 reds, 2 greens, bring it back up, slide the 2 back ones over, and now we have what's called the orphan. The orphan runs away, we open the door, he comes back up. All right, so now we have red, green, in the right spot. All right, let's go ahead and solve for this guy. So this guy belongs with the blue T. He belongs here. So once again, down, bottom around, bring the top around like that, slide it over, matched up, 2 blues, 2 reds, bring it back up, 2 back rows go, orphan runs away, comes back home, and everyone's happy. Now we got 2 rows. All right. Now, let's go ahead and solve for this spot. Blue T, he belongs here. So watch what we're going to do. We're going to bring it down this direction. We're going in the direction that we want to bring it. bring this row down, bring the middle on over, 2 and 2, bring back up, slide the top 2 back in, and bring the orphan home. All right, so now we have the top 2 rows solved except for this one. So finally, boom, 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 and bring the orphan home. All right, so now we have the top 2 rows solved. So what we're going to do now is bring it to the bottom, and the yellows is going to be what we're going to solve for next. So we want to solve the entire yellow layer. What we're going to do is we're going to slide this over, bring it up. So you see this pattern, you have 3 whites and 2 whites. You slide this over, bring it down, slide it back over again, bring it down here. So it's all back to white again. So now the pattern that results is this little L. Bring it up to the upper left-hand corner, and we're going to do this all over again. So we go up like this, bring the 3 up, bring this around, go 2 here, slide it over, down, back around, and up again. And just keep on doing this. It might take 2 or 3 times to actually do this pattern until you get the yellow cross. All right, so down, down again, and this over, and voila, we have the yellow cross. Bring the yellow cross. What you want to do is have the single here, bring it up, bring it around, down, bring it around again, up again, around twice so that you match up there, and bring it down. And this gives you the fishing. Now the fishing you want pointing down with this square here. This is a good thing. We have this. So you're going to bring it up again, bring it around, down again, around. You get a match of 3, bring it up, 1, 2, and now we have solved for yellow. So we have white salt, we have yellow salt, and we have the 2 rows going around. So on to the final 2 steps. What we're going to do is bring this down. Now, something about 5, just to let you know, is if you have the matched corners, we're solving for the corners now. If you have matched corners, you always want those on the back. We do not have any matched corners, so it doesn't matter where we start. So I'm going to start with red. All right, so we're going to bring this down, we're going to bring it around, and down again. So you're going to see this pattern. A diamond, 1 here, 2, 2. Okay? When you see that pattern, you're going to take the back around twice. Okay? So watch. Boom, boom. And that's the back of the cube. All right? Now next, we're going to unwind it. So you got the yellow again. Bring it back around like this. And make the yellow disappear. And then that's going to be 1, 2 around. And you see we have the bars set. Bring it around again. And now we have solved for the red corners. Okay, so as I said, this is going to go to the back. So we're going to do the pattern one more time. Down, around, down again. Once again, we got the pattern. The back is going to come around twice. You'll see this L-shaped pattern in the back. Bring it up, bring it around, send it on down. This cool little pattern. 1, 2, and go ahead and bring it around like that. And now we have solved for the corners. You see all the corners are solved and this side is solid. So this brings us to the final step. So, final step. We want to see which direction we want to bring these guys. So blue belongs here, right? So we're going to go in this direction. So we're going to bring it around twice. Come in the direction that we want to go, so these 2 match up. Bring the left down, the right down, flip it over, bring them back up again, and then go in the direction that you want to go. And congratulations, you have solved your Rubik's Cube.